Trust can be damaged even without betrayal. A harsh moment, repeated dismissal, unrepaired conflict, and suddenly things doesn't feel safe anymore. That is what we are addressing in this lesson. If trust feels weaker than it once did, that doesn't mean your relationship is beyond repair. Trust is not fragile, it is responsive. Here is the truth: trust is not lost in one moment. It erodes when emotional safety is repeatedly. Disrupted repeatedly. And it rebuilds the same way, gradually. Here is why this matters. Many couples try to rebuild the trust with a reassurance. I promise it won't happen again. But reassurance alone rarely restores trust. Many people believe if enough time passes, trust will return. But time without safety does not heal trust. Consistency does. Predictability does. If you have tried to move on quickly and still felt uneasy, that reaction makes sense. Your nervous system is waiting for evidence, not promises. Here is a common mistake. Couples pressure trust to return. Why can't you let this go? Why are we still here? Pressure delays trust. Here is the principle strong couples usually follow. Trust is rebuilt through repeated experiences of emotional safety. Not explanations, not urgency, experience. Think of trust like physical safety. You don't feel safe because someone says you are. You feel safe because nothing harmful keeps happening. Trust was the same way. There is one behavior that rebuilds trust faster than any other. That behavior is reliability under stress. What is that? Reliability under stress. Not perfection. Reliability. Remember that. Reliability looks like this: following through on small commitments, responding calmly during tension, repairing quickly when mistakes happen. These moments accumulate. Trust grows quietly. Trust rebuilds when hurt is acknowledged without defensiveness. Acknowledgement says, I see the impact. I take responsibility. That signals safety. Here is what slows trust repair: minimizing the hurt, rushing forgiveness, defending intentions. Even subtle versions reopen wounds. Strong couples avoid these kinds. If trust was recently damaged, try this. Focus on consistency rather than explanation. Let behavior speak over time. That's what trust listens to. Trust does not rebuild evenly. Some days feel better, others feel fragile. That inconsistency is normal. Strong couples stay patient anyway. In the next lesson, we will bring everything together and focus on creating long-term emotional safety. If you want to rebuild trust in a way that actually lasts, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. It isn't rebuilt with words. It is rebuilt with experience. And experience can be changed. Let us finish strong.